Is it time to buy or sell Tesla stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Tesla. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 26th of August, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 22nd of August, 2025, our system has ranked Tesla as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.64. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 3.43%. This equates to an average return of 1.14% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock has broken the wide and horizontal trend upward. Breaks like this are often followed by swift and strong movements. Any correction down to the break line at approximately $347.82 is considered to be a second chance to hit a potential rudder. However, it is crucial that volume follows the price, as false breaks may occur, leading it back into the horizontal trend. Based on the rectangle formation theory, the stock is predicted to reach $412.01 sometime during the next 3 months. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of 0.344% over the next 3 months, with a possible return between negative 19.62% and negative 1.43%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 9.74%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from negative 25.31% to positive 59.46% over the next year. In current terms, this would position the future price somewhere between $262.65 and $560.76. Our latest daily update for Tesla includes the headline, Tesla stock price ended at $351.67 on Tuesday after gaining 1.46%. The Tesla stock price gained 1.46% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 26th of August, 2025. It rose from $346.60 to $351.67. Notably, it has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues this upward trend or takes a minor break in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 2.38%, with a day low of $343.72 and a day high of $351.90. While the price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, it is still up by 3.18% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume decreased on the last day by 11 million shares, with a total of 75 million shares bought and sold for approximately $26.51 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume alongside rising prices can signal divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $488.54, and the lowest was $202.59. Currently, the price sits 28.02%, or $136.87, below the 52-week high of $488.54, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Tesla is back in the headlines today, influenced by a mix of optimistic and pessimistic signals that are keeping the company's stock, TSLA, volatile. Recent news includes a fund manager cautioning that the stock could experience a significant drop, the announcement of a newly filed class action lawsuit, and ongoing struggles in China, where second-quarter deliveries and registrations have declined sharply. These negative factors help clarify the recent downgrades from analysts, significant selling by insiders and institutions, and a year-to-date decline that has resulted in valuation multiples appearing stretched. This situation renders the share price particularly sensitive to any further disappointments in earnings or demand. On a more positive note, Tesla saw a rally of more than 6%, marking its best day in 2 months. Investors are closely monitoring long-term technological investments, including plans for robot taxis, the production of the Cybertruck, and advancements in Optimus robotics, as potential growth drivers worth millions to billions of dollars if executed successfully. In the short term, expect fluctuations driven by legal news, sales data from China, and revisions from analysts. These factors could lead to declines in stock value on negative news or trigger sharp rebounds due to technical buying. Looking at the long-term horizon, the success of autonomous ride-hailing, the introduction of new models, and effective cost management will determine whether high expectations are met or if further declines occur. Analyst ratings. On Sunday, the 17th of August 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned Tesla a neutral rating with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 1st of August 2025, it was reported that RBC Capital assigned Tesla an outperform rating with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 29th of July 2025, it was reported that RBC Capital assigned Tesla an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Sunday, the 27th of July, 2025, it was reported that Daiwa assigned Tesla a neutral rating with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 21st of July, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned Tesla an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Tesla stock a general neutral rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have awarded the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Tesla. The chart reveals mostly positive signals today. The Tesla stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, there will be support from the levels at 335.25 cents and 323.74 cents. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Monday, July 7, 2025, and since then, the stock has increased by nearly 20%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is identified. Moreover, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices, which creates a divergence between volume and price and may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Period. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 37 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 16 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 13 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 38 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 64 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Tesla. Tesla finds support from accumulated volume at $348.68. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with a healthy trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $8.18, which is approximately 2.38%. In the last week, the stock showed a daily average volatility of 4.07%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Tesla, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This extremely high PE ratio suggests that the stock could be overvalued. However, it is not uncommon for tech companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 22nd of October, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 460 thousandths. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tesla. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tesla is at $356.90. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could present an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, Tesla faces its first support level at $348.68. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tesla from various analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 3rd of August, 2025, Elon Musk conducted an insider purchase of 96 million shares of common stock. On the 11th of July, 2025, James R. Murdoch made an insider purchase of 90,000 shares of common stock. On the same day, James R. Murdoch also conducted an insider sale of 90,000 shares of a non-qualified stock option, which is the right to buy. On the 7th of July, 2025, Vaibhav Taneja conducted an insider sale of 4,000 shares of a non-qualified stock option. The following day, Vaibhav Taneja conducted another insider sale of 2,000 shares of a non-qualified stock option. Based on the most recent 100 insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of approximately 92.322. In total, insiders purchased 97,101,482 shares and sold 2,567,721 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $340.70, representing a decrease of 3.12%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 36 days ago. Is Tesla stock a good buy? Several short-term signals are positive, and the stock has broken through its horizontal trend upwards, indicating a stronger rate of growth. We conclude that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Tesla stock to perform well in the near term. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 27th of August, we expect Tesla to open lower by $2.57, starting at $349.10. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and are responsible for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.